In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a solid color layer in CapCut in just a few simple steps. This is a really useful trick if you want to create clean backgrounds, add a color overlay, build intro screens, separate sections in your edit, or just give your video a more polished look. It's quick, easy, and once you know where to click, you can do it in seconds. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut and editing tips. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut and either create a new project or open an existing one. If you're starting fresh, just choose your video clips or media and get your project ready. If you already have a project open, that works too. Once you're inside the editor, look at the top menu and click Media. This is where CapCut stores different media options you can use in your project. After that, go over to the left sidebar and click Library. The library section is where you can find available assets, including solid color options. Now take a moment to look through the available colors. You can choose something simple like black or white, or pick another color that fits the style of your video. Once you find the solid color you want, simply drag it down onto the timeline. Make sure you place it in the right spot depending on how long you want the color layer to appear. If you want it to cover the whole screen, extend the clip on the timeline to match the duration you need. If you're using it as a background, make sure it sits underneath any text, images, or video elements you want on top of it. From there, you can trim it, move it, or duplicate it, just like any other clip inside CapCut. This makes it super flexible for editing intros, outros, transitions, title cards, and more. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to add a solid color layer in CapCut. It's one of those small editing tools that can make a big difference in the final look of your video. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy CapCut guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.